Hi, so I want to go ahead and answer the question as far as the authentic audience. But first of all, I wanted to actually kind of explain something. This is actually an app that's called Explain Everything, and I love it. As you can see, I can actually make videos and different things, but I can also go ahead and draw on this at any time. And so I can use a pen, and I can actually say, put my name on here. As far as the lesson in itself. So this is actually a really, really good app. It does come out through with a YouTube video as far as answering different things, but I really, really love this, and I use it in my classroom all the time. Especially when I teach math, I can stand in the back, go and talk to people while I'm actually teaching at the same time. So this is Explain Everything. So to answer the question about authentic audience, I actually have a problem-based learning assignment where the students are actually becoming lobbyists. And they are becoming lobbyists for the school that I'm actually teaching at, which is Draper Park Middle School. And so the students, they are put in groups of 3 to 4, and they come up with an idea to kind of change something at Draper Park Middle School. So here's the overview, and so they need to, so this is part of my two-way table area or unit. And so they need to survey 60 students. Usually it comes into a yes/no question, and then they actually take the information and they distribute it through it. So usually a lot of them, so we're 6th, 7th, 8th middle school. They'll actually interview 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. It really depends on how they actually set it up themselves as far as what they need to go ahead and do. And then they put the information into a two-way table. Then they actually make a presentation. Why are they making a presentation? They are actually going to present to the administration at Draper Park Middle School. Either I'll get the main principal or I'll get a vice principal to actually come in and listen to them as far as what they want to go ahead and change at Draper Park. What is something that they don't? So a lot of them, they don't like. So a lot of them they want vending machines. They want to change what time we start. So we used to start at 7:30 in the morning. We were the only middle school in Canyon School District that started then, so they wanted to go ahead and change that. Some of them have wanted recess. Some of them have wanted to change the food in the cafeteria. There are many different things that dress code, wearing hats all the time, because we used to not be able to wear hats. And so they will actually take it and they go ahead and they will present it. So here, so more information about it, and then they do have to clear the information with me. Here's an administration feedback form. So the administration does give them feedback as far as how did they present. So it's helping them become presenters. But then also they'll actually put in comments and they'll actually respond to different things. So sometimes they're like, well, there's nothing we can do about your question as far as changing the food in the cafeteria, or this is a stupid question, or that really hasn't come out. But there's different things where the administration will actually give them feedback right then and there. Hey, I'll go ahead and look into this. That's awesome. That's cool. The audience themselves, they also get feedback for every group. So again, they're seeing and understanding how to become a presenter. Here's the rubric for the presenter as far as what we go ahead and go through. And then they also give themselves feedback about how the project was, both as themselves and also as the project itself. So overall, all of this actually comes together, and it's really, really kind of cool. I love it. And they actually present with the administration, and they actually think that's awesome that administration will actually talk to 8th graders. So anyway, thanks for listening. Have a good day.